A few weeks ago, I was working with a baby girl. This was our first session, and I put the baby to lay flat on her back, and I held both of her hands and I pulled her up. It's called the pull to sit maneuver. I was checking for a head lag. A head lag is where baby's head kind of lags backwards behind her body as baby is coming up. So if you have your baby lying flat on their back, bringing baby up, and baby's head is lagging behind their body as you're bringing your baby up, that's what's called a head lag. The next week when I went back and I saw the kid for our second session, I noticed mom doing that maneuver and I told her not to. Now, what was the reason that I told mom not to do that maneuver with her baby? That's not an actual neck strengthening exercise or a head control exercise. That is an assessment tool used by doctors and used by therapists to figure out just how strong baby's neck muscles are. So if you've been doing that or you're thinking about doing it, please don't. In this video, I'm going to share with you 4 different exercises and activities that you can do to strengthen your baby's neck muscles. If you're new to the channel, my name is Cherrick Gordon. I've been a pediatric physical therapist for over 25 years. And I show you how to use simple touch and movement to not only make your baby stronger, but make your baby smarter. In this video, I'm going to share with you 4 exercises that you can do to make your baby's neck stronger. The first position I want you to put your baby in is sidelying. If you get down on the ground, put your baby to lie on their side and tickle their neck muscles. Your baby has reflexes in their body that they come built with. Reflexes are what baby has when they're born, and it will help your baby to do this, to simply bring their head in midline with their body. If you have baby lying on their side and you just tickle that neck muscle on one side, you'll notice baby bringing their neck up. If you feel like it's too much for your baby when you put your baby on their side, you can support baby's head by putting a towel under your baby's head. So that's the first activity. What I would encourage you to do is do it to both sides of baby's body. The second exercise that you can do to help your baby develop better head control and strengthen those little neck muscles would be to hold your baby around their trunk with your hands up around baby's chest and just very slightly tilt baby to one side. I'm talking about just a slight tilt like this, and you will notice baby bring their head back upright like this. And if you go to the other side, do a slight tilt and watch baby bring their head upright like this. Let's say you do this tilt maneuver and you do this and baby's head stays there. What I want you to do is then take your other hand, gently support baby's head, and see if you can move that hand until where you're gently supporting baby's head with your fingertips, and then eventually allow baby to bring their head upright on their own. Third activity that you can do for your baby to strengthen their neck muscles is lots and lots of tummy time. If you don't know how to do tummy time and you want to watch a tummy time video, check out my tummy time video. When you put your baby on the tummy, and in the video I explain the different stages of tummy time, starting tummy time with baby on your chest and you reclined, or putting a little towel roll under baby's arms, you are strengthening the back of baby's neck muscles when baby lifts their head up to look around. What you want to be shooting for is this kind of 360-degree approach to strengthening baby's neck muscles. And the next activity that you can do is actually a fun one for baby, is put baby to lie flat on their back. Initially, when your baby is first born, if you put your baby to lie flat on their back on the ground, you will notice baby's head would rotate to one side, or it'll rotate to the other side, or just fall to the side, which is totally fine for a newborn. But as your baby gets older, around that 3-4 week mark, your baby should be able to start lying on their back and rotating their head side to side, tracking a toy. So a couple of things are at play here when you start doing this with your baby lying flat on their back. One, early on, baby really cannot see that well. So you got to bring the toy super close to baby's face. Right around that 4 to 5 week mark, your baby will actually be able to start seeing the toy, and you will know when your baby sees the toy because they'll lock on, and you'll notice their eyes tracking the toy, moving side to side as you move the toy. Once they start tracking, if you start moving the toy, you will notice baby's head will turn to the side as baby is tracking the toy. So that's a fun activity to do with your baby, tracking from side to side. Those are simple techniques and exercises that you can do to help strengthen your baby's neck muscles. If you find this information helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Gently hit that like button with an ever so soft baby touch so that other parents who might be searching for this type of information can find it and use it to help their baby. I recommend that you check out this video, which takes it a step further, where you can start to strengthen baby's body by using some more advanced strengthening exercises for baby's trunk. One of them is tummy time. Check out my tummy time video right here. I'm going to leave the link right there for you. Okay? I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Have a good one.